We know we need to format the price on the web page. For this, we are going to use something called template filters. A template filter is a function that takes a value and returns a value. We can use this to convert this floating point value to this formatted string. Let me show you how this works. By convention, template filters need to live in a folder called template tags. I create this folder in the Shop app. I create a Python file called htmlformatters.py. As I said, a template filter is just a function like this. This takes a value and formats it to a currency. Now the function needs to be registered as a template filter like this. The filter is ready to be used in the template. Just like loading static files, formatters also need to be loaded. This will load the module I just created in the template tags folder. Now the price can be formatted with the filter like this. The currency euro function will be called with the price value as an argument. The result will be rendered. After adding the template tags module, the server needs to be restarted. I reload the server. Now you see nicely formatted prices. Yes, a happy customer. It's time to proceed with our website. In the next part, you will see what happens when we add a second page to the site.